Hello everyone, it's Maddie and
Madison from Spectrum Art.
And we are coming to share with you some of the pieces that we have worked on this month, the month of November. Basically, we started doing a prompt where we're working on things that we are actually thankful for in the month of November for Thanksgiving. So let me share what we've done so far. You want to share that one first? This one actually was the first one that we did. This one is actually, we are thankful for family. That's right, for our family and all of our family members. And that would be Daddy and brother and Madison and myself. And so this was the first piece that we actually worked on.
And I forgot. We have animals too.
Right, and also our pets, that is true. Next, which one do you want to talk about? This one? That one? That one is actually the last prompt that I worked on with some friends. We were talking late at night and some crafty friends. And we were talking about life, and we were talking about how we all have different paths and different issues that we all deal with. And sometimes we don't know what somebody else is dealing with. So it's important to be sensitive to that. And so this one says, do not judge. You don't know what storm I've asked her to walk through. Signed, God. And so it's got a lovely fairy who is actually, sitting on a flower. And I'll share, actually I still have the materials for this one out, so I'll share with you briefly some of the materials that were used for this one. Which one do you want to do next? That one? That one we did for when we went voting. We were thankful for being an American and for having the privilege of voting and living in this wonderfully blessed country. So we did this one, red, white, and blue. That was a prompt for that day, and it's got some hidden stars in there, again, to represent our flag. Yep, absolutely. And which one do you want to do next? That one? This one is, we are grateful for our home. Absolutely.
I got a question.
And so, yeah.
I love my home.
Yes, we do. We are eternally grateful for having a home to live in. And it doesn't matter whether your home is big or small, an apartment, a condo, a house or a mansion or an RV, whatever it is that we call home, we are blessed to have a roof over our heads. Not everyone is that privileged. So that was the one that we did for that. Then we did this one. And this one I did in honor of my mom. When it comes to love, mom's the word instead of mom's the word. Mom's the word. Because I am grateful, so eternally grateful for my mother. She is the woman that I aspire to be someday. So this one I did in honor of her. Yep, what else? Which one? Which of the two next? This one? Yep, this one says friendship. Love is a friendship set to music. Two important things that we absolutely love, friends and music. And I am so blessed to have so many wonderful friends, old friends, and have made such wonderful new friends. So, and of course, I went pink because I love my pink. So pink, grays, and blues. And lastly, and some purples, right? And then lastly, we have this one. This is our last one, yes. And this one is a cross. And it talks about pray, love, and live, and believe. And it's got Corinthians and John, and it's got some passages. And so this one was a representation of how grateful we are for our Savior and for our faith and for the right to have that faith. Not everyone around the world is that blessed that they can actually have a believe in this, that, or anything, if they so choose. So we are eternally grateful for that. And so these are the prompts that we've done so far for November. If anyone is interested in seeing how we actually came up with these, the process on them, I will be happy to go ahead. And of course, I cannot recreate the exact same thing because all these pieces are one of a kind, but we can definitely, use the similar pieces to show you how we actually got to this point on these. On this one, I still have that out because that's where we left off. So let me move these to the side. Oh, and they're all mounted on,
Cardstock.
Not cardstock, poster board, not poster board, the cereal boxes. So they're nice and sturdy. But on this one, I still have the materials that we used out, at least most of them. We went ahead and worked with pieces of paper that we had for the backgrounds, and we kind of did this one different. Instead of it being very mixed media, it was more layering, and then we picked out a whole bunch of washies that kind of mixed and matched with those colors, and you can see that we used some of them throughout. We had some flat backs that we went ahead and glued on as well, and then the fairy was a fussy cut image, and then the napkin gave us that beautiful flower that she's sitting on. And so this was this prompt. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you this one last too is because on my next video, I'm going to show you how Madison punched out some really cute flowers and how I went ahead and put them together really quick and easy to make your own flower embellishments, basically just from scraps. So I will show you that next, utilizing these papers here that I have left over and maybe some additional ones, but that'll be on the next video. So again, if you guys have any questions, or if you'd like to see how to do this, or how to do this one, or this one, or any of these or something similar, how to basically get to this end product, then go ahead and just let us know. Let us know if you're interested in one in particular. And like I said, we will try to definitely recreate it with you, so that you can see how to get to this point. And of course, you'll choose your colors and, use those ideas. But we hope that you have enjoyed it, and we hope you are all having a magnificently blessed November. And that for all of our American friends, that you enjoy Thanksgiving, and for all of our international friends, the same thing. We give thanks for you because you are here joining us and watching our videos and joining us in our progress through art. And again, remember, anyone can make these, because we're all our own artists, right? Bye, everyone.
Bye.